Have you ever wondered how to make an effective study guide? A tool to help you navigate the vast ocean of knowledge and keep your learning goals in sight? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to BrainBox, your one-stop shop for all things related to learning, studying, and boosting your brain power. Today, we'll decode the art of creating an effective study guide. It's not rocket science, but a simple process that can make your learning journey smoother and more enjoyable. Let's break it down into easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Identify the important information. This is the backbone of your study guide. Review your class notes, textbooks, and any supplementary materials given by your teacher. Highlight or underline the key points, theories, concepts, and facts. Remember, the goal is to focus on the essentials, not to include every little detail. Step 2. Organize your information. There are several ways to do this. You could categorize by topic or by type of information, such as definitions, examples, and theories. Alternatively, you may want to arrange it chronologically, especially if you're studying history or literature. The choice is yours. But remember, the aim is to create a structure that makes sense to you. Step 3. Choose a format. This could be a written document, a digital file, or even a series of flashcards. Depending on the subject matter, you might want to use diagrams, mind maps, or flowcharts. The key here is to choose a format that helps you understand and remember the information better. Step 4. Review and revise. This step is often overlooked, but it's crucial. Go over your study guide, check for any gaps or inaccuracies, and make the necessary adjustments. Don't be afraid to refine and tweak it as you continue studying. After all, a good study guide evolves with you. Step 5. Practice. Use your study guide to review the material. Test yourself, explain the concepts to someone else, or even teach a study group. The more you use it, the more effective it will become. That's it. 5 simple steps to creating an effective study guide. To recap, identify the important information, organize it in a way that makes sense to you, choose a suitable format, review and revise your guide, and finally use it actively in your study sessions. Creating a study guide might seem like extra work, but think of it as an investment. It's a tool that will help you understand the material better, remember it longer, and ultimately achieve your learning goals more easily. So, brave explorers of knowledge, equip yourselves with a sturdy study guide and set sail on the sea of learning. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. In this case, it's the step of creating an effective study guide. Thank you for tuning in to BrainBox. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep growing your brain power.